Hello everyone. I'm seasoning up some of my chicken. Yes, it's 2 something in the morning, and yes, I'm about to bubble up a pot, but not right now. I'm just gonna season it first. I'm gonna put a little bit of this right here. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna put some onion powder. Just a lot. I like onion flakes as well. I might like a little bit more. I like to put a little bit of Italian in there. Let me explain something to y'all boys and girls. I like flavor. So, let's get that understood. Now I'm going to put some pepper in it. And I found this pepper grinder, I think at Lidl, I'm not sure. Ooh, boys and girls, that is nice there. Mmm. Now I'm going to put just a little shake of this right here. A little shake of that right there. And then I should have some, some paprika. I'm going to put some paprika. Now, what I have learned that I've been doing differently for the last few times I made my meal. I put my flour in my seasoning, just a little bit of flour. Now I'm gonna put some milk, only because the sink is running. If the sink wasn't running, I would be putting water. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of milk. And this milk is worth every cent. You would not believe how long this milk lasts for somebody who doesn't drink milk every day. I may need some more milk. I don't know yet. But what I actually want is a batter. So I may have to put a little bit more flour. I don't want the chicken really hard this evening, so I'm not going to put cornstarch in it. You may be able to see the color of my flour done changed up now. And I want a batter on all of my chicken, like that. Now, unfortunately, because this is raw chicken, I can't really taste my flour. So what I do, I smell my flour. So I can smell the seasoning in there. And what I'm going to do now is like maybe, it's 2:30 in the morning. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about an hour, maybe 2 hours, because I'm not going to be cooking until about 5, so that may be 2 hours. And because it's battered, the bottom is already going to be covered up in there, the top is going to be covered in there, and then I'm going to come back in the kitchen in maybe about 40 minutes and do another spread around to make sure. I like my meat seasoned from the outside and the inside. I don't want to bite into my food and the outside has a flavoring, and then when the outside is finished and I get it on the inside, I don't have anything. Even if you're like letting your chicken marinate it and whatever, and you don't want to pop all of what I have on my chicken, you need a little bit of sodium to take the fresh out of your food, to put in some kind of flavor to make it taste like food. I don't want to eat fried chicken and it be fried and chicken. I want it to be yummy. So that's what I just did. Yummy. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator now. And then I'm going to go get me a rag with some water on it. You might be able to hear my washing machine that I have going because my kitchen rags being washed right now. But I went to Aldi the other day and I picked up some of these crackers. I haven't tried it yet, but it is about that time for me to have a snack. So I'm gonna try these crackers. And I'm going to put some cream cheese on them. Now look at the bottom of the bag. See all the seasoning at the bottom of the bag? I like to open up the bottom of the bag. I'm going to have one without cream cheese. Good. Good. Crunchy. I purchased these bag closers from Temu. I love them. They close up so nicely. Now I'm going to tell you, I don't really like the aftertaste of these crackers. Don't like the aftertaste. So there's something in there that I'm not too fond about. Yes, I'm going to eat the whole bag of crackers because I have nothing to waste. I have my TV running, so I'm watching something. Not really sure what it is, but I'm going in my room to have my snack, which is cream cheese and crackers. Now, let me try one with cream cheese on it. Nice. Much better. Much better. Much better. Much better. I haven't had cream cheese for a number of years. Someone mentioned putting cream cheese in her soup, so that's why I bought some cream cheese in. It's been really nice on some toast with some jelly for breakfast or lunch or a snack. I've also had it on some crackers. Not these crackers, but regular saltine crackers. Absolutely. That aftertaste that I mentioned, I don't taste the aftertaste with the cream cheese. Not at all. Anyway, I'm going to end my video now because I'm really getting tired of hearing this water in here. And I will be back later. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a video with me frying the chicken or eating the chicken or whatever the case may be. But for right now, I was just trying to show you how I spice up my chicken. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.